Okay, we're at 7587 Circle Parkway, and we are doing some in progress construction on this rental property that I bought. It's in Florence, Sacramento. Hey man, how are you? Good, good. Some of my workers doing some on the inside. We got landscaping going on the outside. And we're gonna make this thing look beautiful. We got the bushes already chopped down. We already got the rocks coming. It's gonna be nice. Get this going. Looking pretty good. Making progress on the back. This was all crazy in here before. You couldn't even see this. Nice, coming along pretty good. I can trim back these trees next week. Okay, 7587 interior is going on too, same time. Got the paint going on. Kitchen cabinets are in or delivered, ready for that. Looking good. Some new insulation. Redoing that bathroom. Coming out pretty good. Exterior paint being done.